Merci. Cute accent. My native tongue is French, but I actually speak 5 languages fluently. Really? I got my girls 4 dresses for $50 in Burlington. Good deal.
Impressive brands and styles for your whole family, all at up to 60% off department store prices every day. Now that's really something to brag about. Burlington, brag about
I love you. I love you.
Something beautiful farted in my face. That was my first grade. I could not pass up the opportunity because I was wearing a wetsuit.
Something new.
$800. It's on sale. Are you serious? Did you eat one of those? Okay.
And something blue.
Me and you will both blow to think we're twins. We're gonna pick about 20 guys and just go nuts with butter.
How are you? How are you? How are you? Say, how are you? Say, how are you?
We can help you at any age to create the smile you've always dreamed about. Call us now at 718-891-0606 to schedule a free consultation.
The heart. We're told to follow it. We wear it on our sleeves. It can be broken, it can be warmed, or as cold as ice. You can speak.
How are you?
You can lose it, or pour it out.
How are you?
But should your heart ever need care,
Say it.
put it in the hands of the team at the Maimonides Cardiac Institute, where leading innovations have resulted in patient outcomes so successful that Maimonides is ranked among the top 2% of hospitals in the nation for heart attack outcomes.
Here's a Bravo Green tip from the Real
How are you?
City's Alex McCord.
Don't just throw those empty containers in the trash. Check the codes on the bottom to see whether they're recyclable. Sometimes you have to skip cooking, but never skip recycling.
Green recycles here. Green lives here. For more green tips, visit BravoTV.com/green.
And here you are. Very girly, since it's just you and your 2 cats. I like it so far.
Yeah, I'm a single mom and I don't get financial support from Simon. Thank God the real estate market is picking up. I'm getting by. The first thing you notice when you walk up
How
the
are
stairs
you?
is you. And it's nice you can see your
I love you.
top terrace.
You said you didn't want
Sprite.
to stand, so
Yes.
there you go.
Yes. Well, it's not a room, but you can
Sprite,
also
how are you?
There you go.
It's gonna be your cat room.
Cat room.
Wow, this is perfect. I work my ass off to make a good life for my kids.
Sprite, how are you?
They're the most important thing to me. The asking price is $2.7 million. Okay, I love it. It's very romantic looking. It is. It was pretty surreal to be showing a house to a divorcee with 2 cats,
Stop.
buying a vacation home.